Packing and getting ready for a vacation in Cancun, Mexico, is not as easy as throwing in a couple of bathing suits inside your suitcase and catching an airplane. It requires a little more thinking and planning. This video lists what you need to pack for your Cancun beach holiday. The Mexican sun is significantly closer to the equator than you think, and hence it can get hot outdoors. Anything less than SPF 50 sunscreen lotion won't be enough to keep the sunburns away. Don't just keep this sunscreen in your bag. Use it every single day. Tropical countries have a lot of insects because the weather is suitable for their survival. Since a Cancun holiday is primarily outdoors, you need to pack an insect repellent spray for your trip. Make sure your repellent has enough DEET because you want it to work. You may be in Cancun for a spring break or a family vacation, but you won't be far away from the water, and therefore waterproof mobile pouches become essential. They are helpful when you get into the water for a quick swim or a snorkeling session. You can use these pouches to keep your money as well. It even makes sense to have one extra so that you can help a newfound friend. Folks who haven't had many beach holidays don't know that their lips can also get sunburned. Your lips will surely suffer because of the Cancun sun and hence need protection. We suggest you buy a lip balm with SPF over 15 and ensure it is with you whenever you step out in Cancun. One of the problems with spending time on a tropical country's beach is the warm, irritating feeling on the skin in the evening. Include an after-sun cooling lotion to apply all over your exposed skin once you return to freshen up. It helps you feel relaxed. As a bonus, you will smell great for your Cancun nightlife. Like any beach destination, Cancun's weather is humid, and we all know what humidity does to our hair. As if the humidity wasn't bad enough, the sun, the salt water, and the chlorine will also mess up your hair. You can try all your grandma's tricks, but nothing can fix your hair in humid weather as an anti-frizz spray. Some of us are germaphobes, and some aren't, but there is no harm in being careful when you are in unknown territory. We strongly recommend you carry at least one packet of wipes and one bottle of hand sanitizer for your beach holiday in Cancun. It is heartening to know that your mobile is charged when on vacation. Unfortunately, your mobile loses its charge the fastest when on vacation, probably because of the considerable number of photographs you take or your research about the destination. Since a holiday in Cancun is all about outdoor fun, we strongly recommend packing a power bank so you are always connected. Cancun is a beach destination, and if you aren't jumping into the sea, you must be jumping into a swimming pool, so pack a few bathing suits. Of course, you can always land in Cancun, Mexico, and buy a few bathing suits, but why do you want to start by spending unnecessarily? While packing for a beach holiday, we usually forget to pack our sneakers, but Cancun is different. This beach holiday also offers you an opportunity to explore the Mayan ruins, for which the best footwear is a sneaker. Cancun also offers excellent nightlife, for which you will need comfortable shoes. Of course, if you insist, you can also step into your heels. If you have ever been on a beach holiday, you will know that you need to pack pareos or sarongs. Most of us go on beach holidays for that lovely sun-kissed glow, but too much of the sun is also wrong, and sarongs are a stylish way to protect yourself from the sun. If these cover-ups can layer with other clothes, you got yourself a winner. While the sunscreen and your cover-ups will protect your skin, you need sunglasses to protect your eyes. We suggest you pack polarized sunglasses, known to save the eyes from the glare of the water and sand. It is better if they are lightweight sunglasses, because you will be wearing them all day. Unless you are used to the sun, you won't be able to handle the day-long sun at Cancun without packing a hat along with your sunglasses. Make sure it doesn't feel like an add-on, for you will be wearing your hat a lot, at the beach, at the swimming pool, and even during your visits to see the Mayan ruins. If you are booked in a luxury resort or an all-inclusive resort for your Cancun break, you don't have to worry about beach towels. But if you are booked in a smaller hotel or are traveling on a budget, you may want to pack one. No harm in carrying an extra, especially since it comes in handy if you decide to go to a beach not associated with your hotel, where you may have to bring a beach towel of your own. There will be a lot of walking around and many outdoor activities during your holiday. For Cancun nightlife, you can pack whatever you want, but for the rest of the day, you need comfortable sandals. You need footwear in which you can walk long distances without complaining. Carry enough hair ties with you. Cancun is hot and humid throughout the year, which means your hair needs some intervention. To get through your beach holiday, you need lots of good hair ties, ones that won't tangle your hair and yet look good on you. If you have booked an all-inclusive resort in Cancun, you will get your snorkel and mask for free from your hotel. You can also rent your snorkeling equipment. If you don't want to wear what hundreds before you have worn, or if you want that perfect fit, it makes sense to buy one for yourself. All-inclusive luxury hotels, large resorts, and small shacks, every place is bound to be noisy during Cancun's peak seasons. Not to mention all the noise from the hundreds of parties in Cancun. That said, you need two kinds of earplugs, one to keep the noise away and one for when you jump into the water. It would be a crime to come to Cancun and not experience the boat rides and the fantastic sunrise and sunset cruises. If you feel you may get seasick, carry a motion sickness reliever. We recommend the non-drowsy formula so that you can enjoy the trip rather than dream of your hotel room bed. Many people forget their prescription drugs when they pack their suitcases, backpacks, or bags for their holiday. Bring a few doses extra. What if you extend your trip voluntarily or your holiday gets extended because your flights get cancelled? Carry them in original prescription bottles so that replenishing is straightforward. Cancun is a very active holiday, and there may be days when you feel sore. After a long day of swimming, walking on the beaches, or exploring the ancient Mayan ruins, you may need some pain relief. These pain relievers can also help you get out of a hangover after a fantastic night out. Pack some Antacids in your suitcase. Authentic Mexican food is tasty, and nobody can watch how much they are eating, especially during a holiday. If you are from Europe or the Americas, this is a risk because your stomach isn't strong enough to take in a lot of Mexican food. For more such amazing travel videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.